name is Delia, and this is my channel, GLAM by Delia. This is Peace, you guys, right here in the cut. This is my fur baby. Y'all don't mind her. She's trying to take a nap, but she don't like to be too far away from me. So, yeah, anywhere I go, she goes. She don't let me bothering her while she's taking her nap. So you guys, I am super excited for this channel. So some of you guys may already know that I started this YouTube channel literally 4 years ago. At the time, my YouTube channel was focused on strictly beauty. I was doing a lot of makeup tutorials, a lot of get ready with me's, tips and tricks like brows, how to get your brows slayed, things like that. And then I kind of took a 4-year break. I kind of took a little 4-year break, and a lot has gone on since then. A lot has changed. You know, it's been 4 years, so that's automatically understood that things are not going to be the same. So honestly, guys, I've kind of been, this has been like really heavy on my brain. A few people have asked me like, oh, when are you going to go back to YouTube? When are you going to start filming YouTube? And I don't know, it just wasn't in my heart at the time. And I'm just kind of just on this new spiritual journey, just really learning to listen to myself and do things all in timing. And again, it didn't feel right, you know, a few years ago, even a year ago, it just didn't feel right for me. But now I'm fully ready, I'm dedicated, and I'm back, y'all. So now that I am back, there's a few things that I want to incorporate into my channel. I'm still going to be doing beauty stuff because, I mean, that's just in my heart. That's always going to be me. That's always what I'm going to do. But I want to incorporate other things into this channel that I enjoy doing as well. Since I've last done YouTube, I've went to aesthetic school and I've gotten my aesthetics license. So now I am a licensed esthetician. So I want to incorporate some skincare into this channel. I do waxing. I have a studio, so I'll be taking you guys in there sometimes, doing a day in the life with me, you know. Also, I want to incorporate lifestyle as well. Things that don't necessarily have to do with skincare and beauty. I like to cook, so I'll do some cooking tutorials. I also have a fiance. I have a stepson, so you'll be seeing both of them on my channel as well. You guys will get a peek a little bit more into my actual life. I feel like before I didn't really, you know, let you guys get to know me as much, but I am willing to do that now, and I'm very excited, and I'm just ready to bring you guys on this journey. So now that we kind of got all of that out the way, because I don't want to take up too much time in the intro, just to let you guys know, this first video is going to be, as you can tell by the title, it is going to be a makeup tutorial. I felt like the proper way to come back was to start off with a makeup tutorial. This is the look for today. This is a natural makeup look. This is something that I would do if, you know, I'm just going out with the girls for brunch. I'm not trying to, you know, do too much with the eyeshadow, but I'm trying to get out quick. This is the face that I would do. Very minimum. You don't need a lot going on. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. And also, if you are new to my channel, this is your first time here, thank you again for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Without further ado, let's get into the video.